say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my love, I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to a dead and buried, on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your ride. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so wild of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of the sanctuary, trying to be with you tonight. We'll love it to me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found hopeless hallelujah on this side of heaven's gate. Oh, my life, how do ya breathe and take my breath away? At your altar I will pray, as a sculptor I'm the clay. Oh my, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so we're dead and buried, on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your ride. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so wild, the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, the sanctuary, trying to be with you tonight. Love it to me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so heavenly, higher than ecstasy. Never you're next to me. Oh my, what was it black and white until I saw your light? I thought you had to die to fight something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried, on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your ride. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me